Jasmeer has won two prizes, one for being the voice of Shriji and second for excellence in academics. Mehul has won two prizes, one for being the rhythm of Shriji and excellence in academics. Daksh for excellence in academics. Kanha for excellence in academics. Sahil for excellence in academics. And Yajat for excellence in academics. Now coming to Nursery A, we have Chaitanya, Aradhya Mittal, Amrit, Arnish, Ayansh, Devansh, Guneet, Ishan, Jay, Manya and Shaurya. Chaitanya has won two prizes, one for being the orator of Shriji and second for excellence in academics. Aradhya Mittal for excellence in academics. Amrit for excellence in academics. Arnish for excellence in academics. Ayansh for excellence in academics. Devansh for excellence in academics. Guneet for excellence in academics. Ishan for excellence in academics. Jay for excellence in academics. Manya for excellence in academics. And Shaurya for excellence in academics. Now coming to Nursery B, we have Diya, Tashmit, Komya, Lakshit Antil, Lakshit Daya, Lakshiv, Navya, Nivan, Sanjana, Shaurya, Siddharth, Vivan and Parth. Diya for being the artist of Shriji and excellence in academics. Tashmit for being the voice of Shriji. Komya for excellence in academics.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां हमारे बीच महान ज्योतिषाचार्य अक्सर प्रायः टीवी पर आते हैं। आदरणीय कार्यक्रम अध्यक्ष अजय भांभी जी पधार चुके हैं। और उनके साथ महान ज्योतिषाचार्य अशोक अग्रवाल जी भी हमारे बीच उपस्थित हैं। जोरदार तालियों के साथ इन महानुभावों का स्वागत करें। एक और विशेष सूचना, HR 109314 HR 109314 गाड़ी संख्या है जो रोड पे खड़ी है, कृपया इसको यथास्थान पहुंचा दें, जिसकी भी हो, कृपया आपसे निवेदन है।
From Nursery B, we have Lakshit Antil for Excellence in Academics, Lakshit Daya for Excellence in Academics, Navya for Excellence in Academics, Nivan for Excellence in Academics, Sanjana for Excellence in Academics, Shaurya for Excellence in Academics, Siddharth for Excellence in Academics, Vivan for Excellence in Academics, and Parth for Excellence in Academics. Now coming to KGA, we have Gargi, Dhairya, Ahana, Arav, Arna, Ayushman, Anshi, Avya, Anand, Bhavesh, Devansh, Hardik, Mannat and Harmeet. Gargi for being the orator of Shriji and Excellence in Academics. Dhairya for being the artist of Shriji and Excellence in Academics. Ahana for Excellence in Academics. Arav for Excellence in Academics. Arna for Excellence in Academics. Ayushman for Excellence in Academics. Anshi for Excellence in Academics. Avya for Excellence in Academics. Anand for Excellence in Academics. Anand for Excellence in Academics. Bhavesh for Excellence in Academics. Devansh for Excellence in Academics. Hardik for Excellence in Academics. Mannat for Excellence in Academics. And Harmeet for Excellence in Academics. Now coming to KGB, we have Kanav, Nikunj, Rian, Kavya, Ishita, Milan, Mishti, Naman, Sanchit, Sai and Rishabh. Kanav has won 2 prizes for being the voice of Shriji and Excellence in Academics. Nikunj for being the orator of Shriji and Excellence in Academics. Rian for being the artist of Shriji and Excellence in Academics. Kavya for excellence in theatre and excellence in academics. Ishita for excellence in academics. Milan for excellence in academics. Naman for excellence in academics. Mishti for excellence in academics. Naman for excellence in academics. Sanchit for excellence in academics. Sai for excellence in academics. And Rishabh for excellence in academics. Now coming to KGC, we have Twinkle, Vidansh, Vanshika, Siddhant, Shanaya, Siddiq, Simar, Tanishk, Tanmay, Tavish, Urjit, Vanya and Vedic. Twinkle has won 2 prizes for excellence in theatre and excellence in academics. Vedansh for excellence in theatre and excellence in academics. Vanshika for being the rhythm of Shriji. Siddhant for excellence in academics. Shanaya for excellence in academics. Siddiq for excellence in academics. Simar for excellence in academics. Tanishk for excellence in academics. Tanmay for excellence in academics. Tavish for excellence in academics. Urjit for excellence in academics. Vanya for excellence in academics. And Vedic for excellence in academics. Now coming to first A, we have Aditi, Lakshika, Ojas, Arav Daya, Anugrah, Kritika, Anmol, Arav Dagar, Bhavya Goyal, Daksh, Divyansh, Manya, Isha and Anmol Verma. Aditi has won 3 prizes for effective leadership, distinction in English Lab Marathon and excellence in academics. Lakshika has won 3 prizes, distinction in English Lab Marathon, being the orator of Shriji and excellence in academics. Ojas has won 3 prizes, one for being the rhythm of Shriji, distinction in English Lab Marathon and excellence in academics. Arav Daya for being helpful and caring, distinction in English Lab Marathon and excellence in academics. Anugrah for excellence in computer. Kritika for being the artist of Shriji. Anmol for excellence in academics. Arav Dagar for excellence in academics. Bhavya Goyal for excellence in academics. Daksh for excellence in academics. Divyansh for excellence in academics. Manya for excellence in academics. Isha for excellence in academics. And Anmol Verma for excellence in academics. Now coming to first B, we have Mannat, Aditya, Lakshya, Manansh, Sujal, Harshita, Nikita, Nishant, Paridhi, Ruhan Verma, Prashuk, Utsav, Vihan and Yashmit. Mannat has won prize for being helpful in caring and excellence in academics. Aditya for effective leadership and excellence in academics. Lakshya for being the rhythm of Sriji and excellence in academics. Manansh for felicity in communication and excellence in academics. Sujal for excellence in theatre, proficiency in abacus and excellence in academics. Harshita for excellence in academics. Nikita for excellence in academics. Nishant for excellence in academics. Paridhi for excellence in academics. Ruhan Mehra for excellence in academics. Prashuk for excellence in academics. Utsav for excellence in academics. Vihan for excellence in academics. And Yashmit for excellence in academics.
कोई भी लक्ष्य बड़ा नहीं होता, कोई भी लक्ष्य बड़ा नहीं होता, जीता वही जो डरा नहीं होता, कुछ किए बिना जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती.
Now coming to second A, we have Alok, Chirag Kukreja, Chirag Rana, Bhavi, Anshit, Akshit Antil, Drishti, Ghazal, Brinda, Chakshu, Daksh Daya, Hiten Pruthi, Ishan Mehta, Ishita and Manik. Alok for proficiency in abacus and excellence in academics. Chirag Kukreja for felicity in communication and excellence in academics. Chirag Rana for being the artist of Sriji, excellence in academics and Ministrorum C%. Bhavi has won 4 prizes. 1 for being the orator of Sriji for effective leadership, distinction in English Lab Marathon and excellence in academics. Anshit for being the orator of Sriji, distinction in English Lab Marathon and excellence in academics. Akshit Antil for distinction in Taekwondo and excellence in academics. Drishti for being helpful and caring and excellence in academics. Ghazal for excellence in theatre, distinction in English Lab Marathon and excellence in academics. Brinda for excellence in academics, and Ministrorum C%. Ministrorum C% is a Latin word for 100% attendance. Chakshu for excellence in academics. Takshadaya for excellence in academics. Hiten Pruthi for excellence in academics. Ishan Mehta for excellence in academics. Ishita for excellence in academics. And Manik Tyagi for excellence in academics.
मंजिल उन्हें मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता यारो, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता यारो, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है।
Now coming to second B, we have Shaurin, Jayajham, Samarth, Tanishka, Varchas, Nirvan, Kirjot, Yugam, Rudra and Hansi. Shaurin has won 3 prizes for being the voice of Shriji, distinction in skating and excellence in academics. Jayajham for being helpful and caring and excellence in academics. Samarth for excellence in computer and excellence in academics. Tanishka for being the rhythm of Shriji and excellence in academics. Varchas for distinction in archery. Nirvan for distinction in taekwondo. Kirjot for excellence in academics. Yugam for excellence in academics. Rudra for excellence in academics. And Hansi for excellence in academics. Now coming to third A, we have Bhaumik, Arham, Atharv Goyal, Drishti, Atul Goyal, Anushtha, Divyanshi and Vanshika. Bhaumik has won 3 prizes for effective leadership, distinction in English Lab Marathon and excellence in academics. Arham for being helpful and caring and excellence in academics. Atharv Goyal has won 4 prizes. 1. Excellence in computer. 2nd. Being the orator of Shriji. 3rd. Distinction in English Lab Marathon and excellence in academics. Drishti for proficiency in science lab work and being the voice of Shriji. Atul Goyal for proficiency in abacus. Anushtha for excellence in theatre. Divyanshi for excellence in theatre. And Vanshika for being the rhythm of Shriji. Now coming to 3B, we have Ronak, Rishabh, Purab, Jayant, Tejas, Priyanshi and Priya. Ronak for effective leadership. Rishabh for distinction in skating. Purab for proficiency in science lab work. Jayant for being the orator of Shriji. Tejas for being the artist of Shriji. Priyanshi for effective leadership. Priya for being helpful and caring.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां इन महान मेधावी विद्यार्थियों के लिए।
Arushi has won prize for being helpful and caring. Arpita for effective leadership. Deepika for being the voice of Shriji. And Janvi for excellence in theatre. Now coming to 4th B, we have Mehak, Suhani, Lavanya, Prachi, Purvansh and Tinu. Mehak has won prize for distinction in English Lab Marathon and proficiency in French language. Suhani for distinction in English Lab Marathon and excellence in academics. Lavanya for felicity in communication. Purvansh for being helpful and caring. And Tinu for distinction in Kabaddi.